Navigating and accessing your provider account with Ameritas is easy. Let's walk through the key features and how you can make the most of them. We'll show you how to access patient benefit information, benefit summaries, patient details, claims, and fee schedules. If it's your first time, you'll need to select Register Now and follow the prompts to register. Please note that your Ameritas source code will come from an Ameritas EOP. If you're unsure of your Ameritas source code, don't hesitate to call or email for assistance. Once you're logged in, finding patient details is simple. First, click on Find a Member at the top of your screen. There are 3 ways to search for members: the member's ID and name, the claim number, or the member's date of birth, name, and state. Next, let's go to the benefit summary. Here, you'll find a detailed overview including the plan number and specific procedure benefits, including frequencies. Here's what a sample procedure detail looks like. In Patient Details, find an overview of their insurance with their current status, plan sponsor, plan number, and coverage type. Here is a sample of patient details. In the Claims section, view processed and pending claims and pre-treatment estimates. You can also download your contracted fees as a PDF or Excel. Access your contracted fees from the menu. And that wraps up the provider account. If you need help with our online tools, please contact Customer Connections. For PPO-related questions about contracts or a network, contact Provider Relations.